Alright guys, welcome back. It is Monday morning and it is the weekend after I just got my beautiful new Mercedes. And I'm heading to the Gold Coast. I'm actually waiting for these business cards to arrive, actually magnets, and I'm going to be handing them out down to the Gold Coast to all the apartments and unit blocks and everything like that, because that's the kind of work that I want to do. I want to work down there a bit more. So I just got a call to come down and look at a job. Someone who's actually watched my videos, so shout out to Jeremy. And I'm going to take the beast right here. Look at the van. Everything's on the cover, garaged. Got my disco ball above the roof there. And we're gonna need a tape measure for this. So my new tool belt should be tape measure, but there's not. There is it. Should be in here. Hey, good man, how are you? Yeah. Thanks. Cheers, man. Cheers, heavy. Thank you. What do we got here, boys? Business cards just arrived. Let's pop these open. You want to see what I like about this? Watch this. See that? Auto opening. There it is. Let's open these up. I just ordered these online a few days ago. I was hoping they'd be here this morning, because I planned to go down today and make this video and go hand them out, drum up some business. There it is. Beautiful. Love it. Let's go to the sun. Picture of the Gold Coast in the background. And that's what I'm going to be handing out down the Gold Coast. High rises, hotels, the casino. I know I can bring some value to them. I know that I can get in there and do awesome repair, perfect, in a small amount of time. And I know that their maintenance people already under pressure. If they can't get it done, well, I'm hoping they can give me a call and I'll be right there. Alright, so I've got 1 hour to get down the Gold Coast. I'm heading down to Palm Beach, and then afterwards we're going to be handing these out all afternoon. We're going to hit the beaches. Bit of an update. I've handed my card out to 3 different places. One was like a holiday letting place, and they showed me around. They had a few water issues which they had to address first. plenty of water stains and that sort of thing. I told them I can fix that real quick. I can do anything they need, so they can definitely see the value in that. They do pull in an old guy every now and then to do some maintenance, but he's just a bit of a handyman. So hopefully we get that one. Hopefully we get a phone call and that one goes ahead. I might just jump inside the car because it's really windy out here. Okay, nice and quiet in here. So pretty much I would say I went in there and I said, hey, if I could leave my business card. I realize you probably already have a maintenance manager, and if he would like to give me a call if he gets too much work on, or if you need to hand with anything, that I'm available. I can do everything. And the response was pretty good. So far 3. Unfortunately, I started the day late because I've got these cards a little bit late. And see if I can find one. But at least I got a few out the door, and I want to come down here when I have a free moment and spend the entire day just canvassing, just giving my cards to as many people as possible, because this is where I want to be. This is where I want to work. I really like doing the small repairs. They're very easy. You can get over and done really quick. You normally get paid really quick, and not too much can go wrong. And all the work, it's concentrated into one area here on the Gold Coast. So once you get all your tools and materials here, you can actually service a great deal of apartments, and that's what I want to do. It's a great place in the world, and I'd like to go for a surf in the morning, go for a surf in the afternoon. That would be good. I'm not sure if I could show inside the building or which buildings I went to, unless I asked, which probably they wouldn't have minded too much. But yeah, unfortunately I couldn't record them unless I have their permission, so I just left the camera outside. But hopefully, fingers crossed, we get some calls and we start working down here more often. I do a lot of insurance repairs here, and it's the place to be. It's about half an hour from my house, probably a little bit more. But now I'm gonna head home. It's starting to get dark, and I will see you on the next video, and we're gonna do a full video. Maybe we'll have a secret mic hooked up and we'll go and do some canvassing together. But until then, have a great evening, morning, depending on what part of the world you live in. And this is the sunset right now. And one more thing, please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm going to start showing you everything on the channel. How to get work, how to manage the business, how I do my paperwork, and plenty of little tips on the way. And hopefully we can get up and have some breakfast at the Q1 next time we're working down here. We'll get some footage of that. I really want to go up there. And maybe a helicopter tour, that would be good. Just so everyone watching from overseas, if you've never been here, you can see how beautiful it is. So that definitely, that's going to come up, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. And thanks again if you're already subscribed, really appreciate it. I love every single one of my subscribers. And if you ever have a question or a comment, leave them below. And until then, I'll talk to you later.